Tornadoes and thunderstorms. We got a new one. All right. So tornadoes, thunderstorms, just a reminder, you guys, things that we are looking for. Okay. We're looking for number one. Okay. Number one, we're looking for the definition. Definition. Okay. Number two, we are looking for the cause. So what causes these things? Number three, we are looking for a rating system. Okay. Rating system. And then number four, we're looking for the effects. Effects on ecosystem. So as we go, we're going to focus on all these questions that we're asking. These would be great things to write down in your notes as you kind of take notes as we go here. So let's just talk about this first page here. And here we go. So tornadoes and thunderstorms, we're kind of pairing them together because they are very, very similar. And actually thunderstorms, very powerful ones, are going to create environments where tornadoes can actually thrive and actually be real. Okay. So the tornadoes are going to kind of need thunderstorms. A tornado, the definition of a tornado is a violently rotating column that extends from a thunderstorm to the ground. Okay. Really need to get this ground part for our definition. So there's number one right there. All right. Our definition. It's got to hit the ground, you guys. Tornadoes form when warm, humid air collides with cold, dry air. All right. And so this is going to be partially number two, which is our cause. All right. And then large thunderstorms called supercells produce tornadoes. So again, this is part of number two. They usually consist of high wind speeds, rain, hail, and lightning. Okay. And so these thunderstorms are what they're going to produce, especially some of the hazardous things that they produce. All right, here we go. Let's keep going. Now we're getting to number three on our list of things we're trying to find this video. And the Fujita tornado damage scale is going to be the rating system that we're going to use when we talk about tornadoes. Okay, so it always starts with an F and then a number after the F, and it's going to gradually ramp up from F0 all the way to F5. So it's not going to be considered a very dangerous tornado if the wind speeds are this low. Okay, around 73, at least compared to other tornadoes, whereas they can get as high as 260 or 318, where you can see the effects are just insane. Okay, incredible damage, strong, like houses are lifted off the foundations. It's just incredible damage compared to, losing, damage to your chimney or branches, broken trees, shallow rooted trees are pushed over, lots of damage still, but nowhere near the damage that you're going to see at our F5 tornadoes, where they're just absolutely catastrophic without another really word to say there. Lastly, and I'm back on the camera. Lastly, we're going to talk a little bit more about these effects. Okay, so effects of our tornadoes. Devastating. Anything in the path of a tornado is not very safe at all. Okay, you are completely destroying pretty much all forms of life wherever that tornado goes. And so when we talk about ecological succession, this is something that's really going to set the ecosystem back to square one. Okay, as far as thunderstorms go, effects are going to be flooding, so excess water in the area, and then debris down trees. They can also start a lot of fires, get started by lightning that is caused by thunderstorms. Okay, so again, just kind of going down our list, we got our definition of what each of these are. We have our cause, which is number two. So how do these get caused? And then we have our rating system and then the effects on the ecosystem. Okay, so let's make sure that we get all those down. Make sure you rewatch the video if you need to.